Why am I showing you how to replace a fan on a 6-year-old Mac Mini? Because it's so much more meta than that. This is a 2012 Mac Mini. It's the last nearly perfect desktop machine Apple has introduced. You can open this bad boy up. You can replace memory, drives, and, as I'm about to show you, even fix the fan. My machine here got an SSD replacement last year, so the only moving part is the fan. It's been noisy for a while, so I bought a $14.75 replacement from Amazon. Replacing the fan is a breeze. Twist the bottom slightly to open the case, unscrew 3 screws, pop off the connector, and then do it all in reverse with the new fan. 1, 2, 3, you're done. I own 4 of these 2012 machines. They're that good, but alas, they're not good enough for the kind of workload I want to run now. They struggle with 4K Final Cut. They're a little sluggish with 3D design software. And I absolutely can't run live streaming through these things. They choke on Wirecast or Mimo Live or OBS, especially with chroma key processing. The fact is, this Mac Mini is 6 years old. Apple updated the Mac Mini once more in 2014, but they removed the perfection. The Mac Mini Apple currently sells, still 4 years old, is now a closed box. You can't upgrade or fix most of what's inside. That makes me sad. The iMac Pro is impressive, brain-numbingly expensive, and saddled with a big, heavy screen that, while pretty, precludes flexibility. Apple execs now say they're delaying the new, supposedly modular Mac Pro until 2019. I and most power users can't wait another 18 months or more to be able to get our jobs done. What if, instead of making us wait, Apple updated the Mac Mini? What would they need to do to make this thing perfect again? As it turns out, not much. First, they'll need to go back to the 2012 maintainable design. Let users upgrade memory. Let users swap out drives. Let users fix broken fans. We're not children who can't be trusted around technology. We're pros who have work to do. Put in a modern, reasonably high-speed processor. Some onboard flash storage wouldn't hurt. That's way faster than SSDs. It also wouldn't hurt to throw in a 10 gig Ethernet port. It also wouldn't hurt to keep the existing HDMI port, the headphone jack, and the SD card slot. The last change is to simply put some Thunderbolt 3 ports on the back. Keep 2 USB 3 and add 2 Thunderbolt 3. That gives you the ability to add an external GPU and one of those lovely, very widescreen monitors. That's it. Apple doesn't need to build some super new modular machine, as if computers have never been modular before, or make us wait 10 dog years to get our jobs done. Apple has always been obsessed with wacky custom designs to manage heat flow, so they can ship super thin and quiet machines. But they're missing the point. The Mac Mini works. Production houses have tens, hundreds of these things. Just put a decent fan in the thing, upgrade the processor, add Thunderbolt 3, and ship it. Call it the Mac Mini Pro. Make it space gray, because why not? Price it under $2,000 or less. This smart, easy update just should not be all that expensive to produce. With it, we pros can get our work done without having to mortgage our houses. I'd probably buy another 4. How about you? I've got Gatorade G2 Fruit Punch inside of my A&W root beer mug, so not only am I crossing the beams, I'm drinking the Kool-Aid.